Hi, I was moved to make a video about spiritual awakening. No, I have recently been doing videos lots around nature. Well, I'm in nature again, but also videos about making art. And I wanted to talk a little bit about that and about that spiritual awakening. And I noticed that the earlier videos in my channel are the first videos are about remembering our true self, remembering that we are not these bodies, we are not these characters, that our true nature is awareness, and we all share that one awareness, but we have an individual uh, window where we look at world, or the God watches the world through our eyes, and we have our own worlds. There's a little, it's not a fly, what is it? It's trying to eat me. That lovely being. So, flying thing. But yeah, those first videos are about that awakening. I made those videos when I I don't want to kill that. So I made those videos because I felt guided to do those, and I kind of documented my awakening path. And then I noticed, I remembered who I am, but still there were the character, the ego, all that programming what I have been solving when I have made those next videos there. And then I started to make those videos about making art. That is something my soul likes to do. And uh, one reason I noticed that the character kind of, I don't know, can it be dropped away, all of it? I think we have the ego, but still that we don't anymore need to identify ourselves as ego, but as awareness, as the creator of our own world. So sorry, itching. And yeah, that's what happened. It kind of, a lot of that programming dropped away when I really noticed that I was identified with a separate self, separate person, that there is me and my world. And yeah, identification with that separate person, it's what makes the suffering. And it happens, it still happens, but a lot of that programming has dropped away. And then what now I get to the point why I make videos about the nature and art, is that it has been bringing me so much peace. When you watch nature, you start to see, when you are in nature, the nature is so abundant, you really can't find lack in the nature. And when you spend time in that kind of environment, you start to notice that the lack is illusion. We can create that experience, but when those lack thoughts come, and the next thing you notice is how much there is those beautiful flowers and everything, and you are the creator, or I am creator in my world. So I have created all this. Oh God, yes. So the lack is really a illusion. So the nature, it teaches, and it just helps to feel better. I think it's helps to feel better because it quiets the mind, and when you are not thinking, you are in the present moment, and you just watch, you just look. And when you start to notice that you are one with everything, you are one with this beauty, what there is. There's so much love. So yeah, I don't really know, do we have free will? I feel I know this, that for example now I just felt that I need to move to make this video, and I think I didn't have anything to stop that because it just happened, and I think that things just seems to flow. Creation is finished, and yeah, that's oh no, it's biting me and I don't want to kill this. So that's a really good advice I have got. I it was Pete's Supper who told that, because the creation is finished, so there's also a version of you or me where the problems are already solved. That's also has helped me a lot. So that's good to know. But yeah, this nature, the healing thing here is that energy here, that abundance everywhere, so much abundance, and and you can silence your mind there. You automatically start to do that. That's funny. I have that one friend here flying, trying to eat me, and I'm kind of running away, trying to protect myself from that lovely, lovely mosquito, itikka in Finnish. But yeah, of course it's following me. So we are hiking here together. It's flying. But look, if you are in nature, do you start to see how these colors are different, where the sun is shining? There's so many kind of green colors, and you can find all kind of things, different kind of flowers, and you don't have to make them as concepts like I know what flower that is, and just drop those concepts and just look, really look. They are living beings and you are one with them. Think about that. If you're one with those, everything, don't eat me, please. Thank you. So yeah, and art, making art does the same to me, and especially I like to do it outside, so it's a double benefit, nature and making art. It's like when I start to make that art, it's like I just immediately drop down to my true nature. So that's why I seem to make those videos, and I want to inspire you to be more in nature, to notice that we are one with nature. We can't live without nature, and I feel that we many times are not connected to it, and we feel we are separate from our true nature, because this body we have, it's also part of nature. So it's kind of, you start to really embody it, feel it, that you are a part of something so much bigger, not that separate one body here in the world, but you are one with everything. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I think battery is getting low, so I think the video was here now, and just come creating art with me. Just come being in nature with me. Follow my channel and share your thoughts or your feelings, experiences. Yeah, see you again. I love you so much. Bye.